This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make magnesium sulfate, easy method. I will outline conceptual chemistry, highlight required safety precautions, and suggest safe alternatives instead of stepwise lab instructions. You will learn which common magnesium and sulfate sources react, why crystallization matters, and when to avoid DIY preparation. This approach keeps you informed without encouraging unsafe home experiments or providing detailed procedural steps that could be risky. I will explain the underlying chemistry behind magnesium sulfate, covering ionic pairing, hydration states, and common precursor compounds. You will hear how magnesium sources and sulfate sources combine conceptually, why controlling pH and concentration influences crystallization, and how hydration affects physical properties. This high-level overview gives you a clear understanding without step-by-step synthesis, and it points to safe commercial options for practical use and therapeutic applications. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable, comfortable socks backed by a lifetime warranty, perfect for long projects or lab days. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a pair if you want, and now let's get back to the video. I will explain practical safety tips and sensible alternatives to DIY synthesis, focusing on harm reduction. Learn why household chemistry can be risky, when to choose pre-made pharmaceutical or technical-grade magnesium sulfate, and how professionals manage hazards with proper PPE and engineering controls. This discussion helps you make safe choices for baths, gardening, or lab work, while avoiding instructions that would enable unsafe or unregulated home manufacturing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.